Alright guys, Georgia Jim got a Vachette Vetus Plus. We got this from Mr. Paradise, so big thanks to him. Came in a surprise package with some locks, and I'll be trying to get through those in some videos, so let's see what happens. This looks like 6 pins and 4 sliders, I believe. Alright, 1, 2... That was pin 1 there. We got 2, 3. Five's binding hard. I felt a little bit of movement on the core. Touch 6. 2. 4. 2. Alright, I touched 6 and got a little bit of a false set, I believe. 2. Counter rotation on 2. I think. Either that or I'm oversetting, one of the two. Probably, I think I overset. Let's try that again. There's 2, 1, 3, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another click on 5, small click on 5. 1, 2. I think that was 3. Alright, there we go. Now let's check sliders. Since that's the wrong pick. There we go. We'll go to the number 10 flag. One loose, 2 is loose, 3 is loose, 4. Yeah, there's only 4 in there. They're not binding yet, so something else needs to be picked. 1 is loose, 2, 3. Alright, I gave 6 another click. Alright, still not binding. Let's check. Top stack, 1, 2, 3. Not really feeling anything. Maybe 2. I think I got a little bit of... Yeah, I may have set 2 then. Let's check these sliders again. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Alright, let's see. 1. I'm getting counter rotation on 2. Last time, okay, I got a fat click there. Let's go back and check everything else again. 6 is binding hard now. 2, 3, 4. Find another small click on 5. There we go. Now we got a fall set. I'm gonna be interested to see what's in this one. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2. There we go. Alrighty, you can see that's picked. Let's get this gutted. Excuse the Band-Aid. Find my gut wrench because I'm a mess. There's the tweezers. There's the followers. There's the gut wrench. Alright. Looks like it's already been popped off before, so maybe. There we go. Come on off. What do I do with the key? There it is. All right. I think this should fit. Let me make sure. Okay. Grab that sidebar on the bottom. Trying to do that with that Band-Aid on. It's slick, but very fashionable. I'm dropping key pins. Is that 1? Yeah. Okay, so that'll be 2. And grab that spring I just sprung. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing the tray completely. 5 and 6. Let's pop these sliders out. And we'll leave the springs in those. We have 1 with no false gate, 2 with no false gate, 3 with a false gate, 4 with no false gate. I'm gonna dump them springs anyway. Alright, nothing interesting on the plug. Just your normal slider sidebar lock. We got a standard on 1. A little barrel spool on 2. Standard on 3. Standard on 4. Standard on 5. And this little bump spool thing on 6. You see a little channel for the sidebar. And that's a pretty thick sidebar on this one. So those gates are huge. pretty neat, fun little pick. Really appreciate this from Mr. Paradise. I'll give you guys a close-up if I can make my fingers work since that Band-Aid's in the way. Alright, there's the Vachette V-Disc Plus. Thanks for watching.